Calvin from Palm Trees and RVs. I know you guys don't usually hear from me, but here I am. Season 2. We got Rid of the Sunset Trail, and this is what we got.
Hey man, what's up?
You been eating Snickers?
What? No, I haven't. What's up?
Nothing. Just telling the people it's season 2. New camper. Got rid of the Sunset Trail into the Keystone Premier Bullet.
Yeah.
You happy so far?
I love it. I do.
All right. So you want to give the people a tour of the new camper?
Sure. Can I do it, man?
No.
Yeah, but this is all you can do is loop around. Okay, I'm gonna show 'em.
When?
Okay, so we're gonna give a tour of our Keystone Bullet Premier. That's it. Okay, now so unlike the Sunset Trail, this one has the rear living, which we absolutely love. Dinette area, little lounge that is real comfortable because it's just me and Calvin. And we have a new visitor, which I will insert pictures. We got a grandbaby. Yay! Yeah, so he came and went camping with us. We have taken this this trailer out for our premier voyage, which was at Flamingo. Right? Yeah. So it was really nice. We'll put some pictures in so you can see that. So we have the rear window, which is absolutely wonderful. Backing up to, we had a lakefront at Flamingo, so it was actually beautiful to see and look at. And we have a nice little large island, which I absolutely love. Makes it a little tight back here, but that keeps Calvin out of my space when I'm cooking. Double sink, plenty of storage. We have storage here. Let me look first. Okay, we're back. Because I actually did take some stuff out. I got so much storage, I mean it's too much storage now, but I'm sure I will put stuff in it. So we have this one doesn't open because it opens up outside, right? Okay. This one opens up to outside. So some little coffee maker here, that's gonna move later on. But you can also open it from the outside. So, all right. Oops. I know there's a trick to this. Okay. What else? We got all your standard appliances here. We got storage here. And I believe this is where I'm gonna keep dishes and pots and pans so they won't slide around and stuff like that. I don't have any glass dishes. I did that purpose by design so that we won't break anything, and I can keep stuff down here. You gonna come back here? You gonna come back here? Are you gonna come back here, sir? All right, so additional storage. I like this because it has my little garbage can in there. And this is just, I mean, there is a lot of storage in here. More storage, and please believe me, 2 or 3 trips in, I'm gonna have stuff in here. And then your standard drawers there, more pantry space here. So after each trip, I take everything out. I take everything out back to the house. So I can just buy new stuff on the next trip. Anyway, bathroom. well, you know, for refrigerator. I think this refrigerator is bigger than the last one we had, but Calvin says, nah, it's the same size. And that's the voice he used. So we keep it plugged in here at the house just because we can. Yeah, and it's really nice and cold too. Bathrooms, pretty standard. Actually, the toilet is a little higher in here than it was in our Sunset Trail, which I like. And shower's about the same. I mean, one person at a time, unless we lose a lot of weight. And this is, I like this part because it has the mirror here, which I don't think Sunset Trail have. And then you got your standard storage space there. Alright, so that's the bathroom. And more storage. I use this as a, okay, so don't go there, come here. Bedroom. Pretty decent, I like it. We have, this is a regular little standard short queen, but I think we're gonna order a new mattress, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think we'll order. I do like this part too. Here we have a laundry chute, which is Calvin's stuff down there right now. Got our basic, you know, storage hangers. This is my color if y'all hadn't noticed. Absolutely love this color. And then Calvin, you wanna open your side? No. Oh, and also we're in the market for a TV. We're gonna put a TV up because it says LCD TV mounting bracket location. Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty roomy in here. I like it. I like this. I don't think the other one had natural light come in. But like I said, we've already been out. We've already camped with this. What? Okay. So, on a scale of, what, man? Don't be snapping at me, man. Extra storage in Gemma's poop bag. Alright, so I absolutely love this too. I take up everything. I got my rugs in here, a little sweeper, garbage bags, and they have little coat racks. And I don't know if everybody else like me, I save all these bags because I need them. And this is Gemma's little spot here with her travel bowl and blanket. Yep, I like it. It doesn't get real cold, so we probably won't use that for a coat closet much. Why are you showing your boots? Because I made you take them off? Yeah. So I am in the process of decorating. So I ordered that. I absolutely love Etsy. Shout out to Etsy. Whoop, whoop. And I ordered this too off of Etsy. Palm trees and RVs that look like us. Calvin just need more gray hair. Like, yeah. So Etsy and a window cling I ordered off Etsy too. So absolutely love it. All right, well I'm gonna get back to work now. But yeah, so I believe we can actually sleep about 8 in here uncomfortably. But if you got 8 people in here, you probably ain't sleeping much no way because y'all partying and doing whatever. But yeah, I do like this one much more than Sunset Trail. So, but we will make sure that we bring you guys back for our second outing. Not really
You're still planning now, right?
Yeah, we're planning now, but we just can't figure out where because Rona got everybody all twisted up right now. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Peace.